Hi, my name is Elijah, and I'm 8 years old. And I've been cooking since I was 4. And I'll be teaching you how to cook foods that I love. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hi, and today I'll be teaching you how to make spaghetti. Are you ready? Let's get started. Since we're in the kitchen, I'm going to show you the ingredients. Ingredients! What? Ingredients! Ingredients! Wait, it's only tomatoes? Ingredients! Wow. Ah, come on! Now it's onions. Ingredients! Finally. Jeez. Now we're going to start cooking. Are you ready? So first, I'm going to put some water in, and then I'm going to put the noodles in. Since you're cooking with fire, you should let an adult help you, okay? So that the noodles won't stick, I add a little bit of oil. So for my meat, I like to add oil, and you could use whatever kind of meat. I'm using chicken. I'm going to ask my mom to turn the stove for me. Now I'm going to add my meat. Now, since I turned it to 6, I'm going to put my bell pepper in, my tomatoes, and my onions. Now I'm going to mix it in.
Elijah, did you put those mushrooms in there?
No. Ah, come on, mushrooms. Since my mama wants some, I'm gonna just add them. Now I'm gonna remove the cover and see how well it's cooked. Oh, looks like it's ready. So now I'm gonna add the sauce. Yeah, add all that in there. Okay, all sauce.
Elijah?
Yes.
Did you add the honey and the hot sauce?
No.
What?
My mom won't let me be great.
Add this honey. Hot sauce.
Now I'm going to stir everything in and wait till it cooks for another 15 minutes. So now I'm going to go check if the noodles are ready. So it's not that cooked, so I'm going to put the top one and let it cook some more. Everything is done, so I'm going to plate it. Add a little garlic bread. Delicious!